This is the old rack and pinion out of Sandy. Right now there's another power steering rack and pinion in there, just with no lines hooked up. This one I tried to loop the lines on, but I'm going to try to actually take the seal out of this and just turn it into a manual rack and pinion. We'll be opening up this service manual today to help us figure out how to disassemble this the proper way. Okay, so I just have to take these two off, and then we'll jump back over here to this. So let me grab the 10 mil. Washers. Got the valve body, valve control unit off there, and then I got the inner tie rods off. So now I believe we need to start taking apart the more of the gearbox end of it. Now we're definitely going to start really referencing this the service manuals. See how it goes. This is definitely a first for me. As you can see, everything is apart. I think I was supposed to take this out, but I don't think we need to take this out because this right here is what we need to remove. I'm following an article here that's for a Miata. It's from flyingmiata.com, but the same idea is there. Basically, we need to cut this off. But we're going to cut almost all the way through this, and then we'll use a chisel to hopefully knock it all the way off. Let's see how it goes. Ended up coming off in 3 pieces. Finally have one little nick. Tough part is done. Start cleaning up all the parts, and it's pretty much putting it back together. Got the new outers on, the new inners on, the new bellows, and we've got all the lines plugged off. So, it's all good to go. It just needs to go back in the car now. So, till then.